Hello viewers, you are welcome to this channel. If this is your first time, remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to receive new quality videos whenever we upload them, videos that you will never want to miss. So today I'll be teaching you importation business step by step. The product will be delivered straight to your doorstep and you can make use of free shipping, which implies that you will only pay for the product, which can be $1, less than $1. So first and foremost, I'll be giving you a site that is called aliexpress.com. You can see the spelling here, aliexpress.com. Just type aliexpress.com on your browser and it will display this page. So when you come to a new website like this, the first thing you do is to create an account. You come here to where you have accounts. You can see this account belongs to someone else, so you can create your own account. So it will tell you to register with your email and password. Registration here is free of charge. After you are done with the registration, you will come to where you have this long search box. So that is where you can search for any product of your choice. So let's say, for instance, I want to buy wedding ring. So let's type wedding ring, for instance. Let me use this one to teach you how to buy. So wedding ring, click on search. Click on search here. So now it's loading. Very good. You can see different types of wedding rings. So you can see this one is 335 naira to 674 naira. So let's scroll down and see more. Look at this one. It's free shipping and it's 274. So any product that has free shipping, you will see it will be written under it, free shipping. You can see this one, free shipping. Let's quickly use one as an example. Let me make use of this one to teach you how to buy. So just click on the product that you want to buy. When you click on the product, let's assume you are buying this one now. Let's assume you are buying this product. So it tells you that the price is 232 naira 30 kobo. So you choose the size of your finger, whether size 7 or size 8 or size 9. Let's assume your finger is size 7. Pick size 7. Then there are some things you have to check here. The seller has a buyer rating of 5.0. So which means out of 5.0, he has 5.0. This is a very good seller. So you can see he has 9 reviews. He's a new seller and he has 41 orders. So you can patronize him. You should patronize him because of this rating. Any seller that has 4.5 rating and above is a good seller. So for you to buy this product now, just click on buy now. I've told you click on the size of the ring, then click on buy now. So when you click on buy now, if you are buying for the first time, it will tell you to enter your address. This is the form you will see. So you put your name here. Let's assume your name is Smith Noel, and your phone number, you put it here, 070 30 71 0972. Your address, that is where you want the products to be delivered to. You put your address here. Let's assume your address is Broad Street. Lagos. You can put your home number, maybe 23 Broad Street. 23 Broad Street. Then just come and put the state and city here. The state is Lagos and the city also is, let's say, Lagos. Then now the zip code of Lagos is 23401. The zip code of Ibadan is 23402. So if you are outside Lagos and Ibadan, you can search for the zip code of wherever you are using Google. So if you are outside Nigeria, you can Google search as well. So when you are done, just click on save and continue. So since you are done with that, the next step is how do you want to make your payment? How do you want to pay? So if you are coming to this site for the first time, this is what it will show you. So what are the payment methods here? You can use MasterCard or Visa card. You can use web money, wire transfer, but the most convenient one here is the MasterCard or Visa card. So let's assume you are making use of your MasterCard or Visa card. If you don't have this Master or Visa card, go to your bank and request for it. So what you will do now is you will enter where you can see card number. You will enter the 16 digits in front of your Master or Visa card. You will enter the 16 digits here. So when you are done entering it, you come here where you have the card holder name. Put the name that is on the card exactly the way it is on the card. Just put it here. The next thing you will fill here is the expiry date. It's also in front of the card. So put the expiry date. Maybe it will expire in October. You put 10/2022. You put 22 here. So when you are done with that, you come straight here where you can see CVV. It's telling you to put your CVV number. Your CVV is 3 digits. So, and you can find that at the back of your MasterCard or Visa card. So once you enter that, you just come straight down here and click on continue. So when you click on continue, it will add your card to it. So which means it will be like this one. Your card will be added to the system. So anytime you want to make a purchase, you don't need to add the card again. It will save it on their system, except you want to change it, which you can see change here. So once you are done with that, just come here and click on place order. Click on place order. You can see that this order is just less than $1.61, less than $1, which is approximately 232 naira 30 kobo in our own currency. And this is a wedding ring that you are buying. So what is the next thing? After you have placed your order, if you want to check the order, you come straight to your home page. You come to where you can see your account. You can see it here, account. You come to my orders. Anything you purchase or you have the intention of buying, they will bring it to your orders. So you come to my orders and click on it. So I hope you are enjoying this. So when you click on your orders, you will see all the orders you have listed or you have purchased in the past. Everything will be listed where you have your orders. So the product you have just bought, you give them few days for them to update your order. You can give them like 1 or 2 days to update your order, after which you will see your tracking number. So you come to where you come to tracking order here, which is the next step, how to track your shipments. So when you come to my order, the next thing in front of your order, you will see track order here. So when you click on this track order, you will get your tracking number and you come to my order. When you come to your order, then it will take you to where you will see your tracking number. So when you click on it, it will bring you here. Look at the tracking number of this product. It has been delivered, but look at the tracking number of this order. So you just click on copy. It has copied it successfully. You can see it. So what you will do is, for you to track your shipment, just go straight to a site called 17track.net. 17track.net. This is the site. You can see 17track. So what you will do is that you will put the tracking number you have copied. You paste it here, 17track.net. Just track it. You click on track. It will give you the details of the product. Don't forget, I said you can start this business with less than $1. So I will advise everyone that is watching this video to try to make a purchase. At least buy something. You can give less than $1 to a beggar, so you can use that to just test it to see how it works. You discover that it's really working. I've never lost a dime since I've been importing from this site. So you can see this product when they sent it overseas to Nigeria, NG. You can see country code here, which is so received item at delivery office. You can see that. So the last update here is attempted stroke failed delivery. So the owner of this item has received it, but they have not updated this site as at this time. So you can see this is April 7. So they have not updated it, but the owner has received it. So now the next thing is that, okay, now you know how to track. Now you can see the wedding ring we have purchased is just a sum of how much is it? It's less than $1. It's less than $1. I want us to compare the price to what is obtainable in Nigeria. Most of those sellers that are selling on Jumia, Konga in Nigeria, this is where majority of them are purchasing these products. You can see the ring is sold for just a sum of 60 cents, which is around 232 naira 30 kobo. But if you go to Jumia and order for ring, if you type wedding ring on Jumia, wedding ring on Jumia, let's search and see the prices on Jumia. This one is 2,000 naira, 2005. You can see that you can hardly get, look at all these ones, 1,650. Look at 9,500 naira. They are very, very expensive when you compare them with the ones that are obtainable on AliExpress.com. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy it, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for more quality videos that you will never want to miss. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.